Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Raj again. I'll be unboxing Apple Pencil 2. This is second generation. It has some functions which makes it different than the first generation, and what those are I will tell you in a minute. So now let's look at the box. It's just Apple Pencil here, and there's a seal right here. So if we pull this, here you go, nice sound, and box reveal itself. There's another tab here. If you look at it, you can just pull it out, and it's easy. It's a little bit on the tight side. Just pull it out, and here your Apple Pencil, and it says here designed by Apple in California. If you take this thing out, there's a pencil right here. Let's put it on the side for a minute. It has all the paperwork. There's nothing else. Yes, it's empty, and all paperwork. Because usually Apple product, they do give you stickers. Here there's no stickers. So anyways, let's put this on the side and then see what this guy is saying. So basically, attached to iPad Pro to pair, charge and store. Okay, so it's showing here that it's just charged with iPad Pro. I don't have iPad Pro, I have iPad Air. I want to see if this one works or not. I hope this one does. So this is your Apple Pencil. Again, there's another tab here. Piece of plastic. You take it out. It's wrapped in a plastic. So this is your Apple Pencil. It definitely feels like a regular pencil. I can say that. A little bit on the thick side. Only this part is flat here. If you look at this part, and it says Apple Pencil here, and that's it. And there's a free engraving if you buy from Direct Apple. I purchased this from Amazon. That's the reason I don't have that now. But anyways, let's see if it's attached magnetically. And it does. And it does recognize the welcome to Apple Pencil. So when you bring it close to your iPad, let's say on the side, Apple Pencil, if you guys could see it. So it doesn't attach on the top, only on the side. On the right side, it does attach, and it's showing Apple Pencil, 54% battery remaining. What about on the left side? Nope. Nope. So it's only attaches on the right side. So if you are somebody who uses his left hand, this might be a little bit weird for you. I wish if they could just give one on the side also, but I guess it's just cost-cutting measures. See, every time you put it in, it shows 54%. Use it. So let's say create a document. So let's say blank. And what I want to do in blank is just, it's asking you to write down. If I don't want to write down, just get started. And then it just opens up everything right here for you. On the bottom, you can see, so you can select what kind of pen you want, or pencil, or brush, or rubber. And let's say if you do this, so right now I'm gonna draw something, and if I tap twice here, it changes to rubber, and then you can wipe it. So this is something I like it. Now if I tap twice again, it goes back to the pen. So you don't have to tap, you can just real quick, you erase it. You don't like something, and then you tap it back, it goes back to the pencil, and you can write down whatever you want to write down on it. Same thing with the brush. So when you brush it, it's like that. If you're vertical, tilt it a little bit, as you can see how it brushed for you. So imagine if this is a graphite pencil and this is your tip. So this is how it mimics. So when you're vertical, the line is fine, and when you are tilted a little bit, it goes like that. And it has all the sensors. If I pressurize it, it becomes a little bit darker stroke. And then again, double tap, and I can just erase it. So guys, this is how this is. So if you want to erase just a little portion, you can do that, or you want to just tap one, let's say this one, so it just erases everything else. So this pencil has many functions, which made me iPad 4. You need to have that in order to experience it, and And the quality seems pretty good. And the tips are interchangeable. If you break it, you can change it later on, no problem. You can draw different things. Let's say I'm doing some drawing for my house, you know, extension for my house, and I can use this to draw walls and everything. So that was my initial thought of Apple Pencil, and I hope you guys like it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will come back with the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.